Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to show you how you can make really awesome 5-spice chicken drumsticks. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add some garlic salt to it. Some onion powder. Some white pepper. Some Chinese 5-spice powder. Some cinnamon. Just sprinkle it on. And next we're going to flip it over and do the same thing again. Okay, we have the other side of the chicken drumsticks done with the same spices. So next what we're going to do is we're going to add some oyster sauce into the plastic bag. That's 1 tablespoon right there, and we're adding around 2 tablespoons. There you go. Next we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay, there you go. And that's it. It's just that simple, and we're gonna mix it all together just a little bit first. And then we're gonna put the chicken in there. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to seal it up. And then just make sure you mix everything all nice and even. Now that we mixed it all nice and even, we're going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. For best results, you want to leave it in the bag for overnight. But if you don't have that kind of time, 30 minutes to an hour will work just fine. Alright, so the chicken has been marinating for 1 hour, and now we're going to put it in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for around 40 minutes. Or until the chicken has reached around 165 degrees. It's been 40 minutes, and now we're going to take out the chicken. Oh yeah, looking good. This is what we have today, 5-spice chicken drumsticks. Give the 5-spice chicken drumsticks a try. It's really delicious and easy to make. Thanks for watching, and give this video a like. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!